Hi guys, this is Hitesh and I am here for the review of the product which is Viral Mark, and we will discuss each and every point here. You can see here each and every point we will discuss, and later after discussing on all point I will show you this is which is YouTube automation. And what is this product is all about. This product is all about, actually this product is going to save your work because you can schedule your tweet here, you can add your everything. This is about Twitter marketing and YouTube marketing, so that you will get traffic from Twitter and YouTube on your link, which may be your website link, which may be your affiliate link, which may be your any CPA link, whatever it may be. So you are going to get traffic from Twitter and YouTube. So I will discuss one by one this all points, how you will get this all things and how this product works. Before that, just come and meet my bonuses. So the first point is, this is my bonus page. When you go through the link below, you will get this page, and this is my bonus number one. You can see here, which is 10x commission. The main point is what? If you grab this product, you will increase your commissions, you will increase your revenue and income by 10x, so that you will start revenue much and more. Now the bonus number two is software in a box. It means you can create your own software, you can create your own tool to provide something, to work something on that. So actually this will be a very interesting and totally it will be a revolutionary product for you. Now the bonus number three is five figure freedom. This is a super bonus, you can say, because I will show you everything, each and everything about this. Actually, what you are going to get here now, the bonus number is this 10x commission. So this is the member area of 10x commission. That is the point. This is member area. See, so completely this all point you are getting. Actually, I'm not going much deeper. You will get everything here. Okay, everything you will get here. Each and everything you will learn. Now if you go with this every step by step points, and if you apply everything here, you will increase your revenue. Simple. Now my second bonus is, which is software business in a box. Now I can show you here. See, this is the software business in the box. Means here you can create your reseller rights and all. Clicks reseller. You can create everything here. Done for you. Everything is available here. Graphics, sales video, thank you page, sales page, everything. Now this is personal license you can create here. You can put your name, you can put your email, and you can go ahead and simple. You can claim your access. Now you can do this reseller rights. You can provide something. You can provide to someone these reseller rights. So you can create your own company, or you can create your own empire to go ahead. This is some resellers leading. Actually, this is landing pages. Okay, so you can create your landing pages, you can put your membership area, you can create your tool and software and courses. That's how you can create your software. So that's how this product works. It's too much worth, too much. Okay, now the last one is five figure freedom. It is also a very different level product. You can see here, this is your five figure freedom member access area. Now here you can see everything you are going to step by step, everything you are going to learn and apply step by step. I'm not going much deeper inside this. Now this is bonuses. You can see, actually I'm providing you already on only three bonuses, but here you can see you are going to get some more bonuses. So you are multiply your bonuses. If you go for the viral mark, you will get my three bonuses also, and inside that bonuses you are going to get this type of the bonuses also. See, you can see here. So what it is, 2 minute quiz page kit. So you can see from here you can get complete kit. Okay, and this is squeeze page. Actually, if you go for other software, if you go for other tools, you have to pay monthly just for creating opt-in page, squeeze page, landing page and all. But here just for one time you have to go for this product, which is viral mark, and you are going to get these three bonuses. And all in these three bonuses you can see here, bonus number one, two, and three. And with these three bonuses you are going to get some more different bonuses, so that you can increase your revenue, increase your growth very easily. You have to just apply these things and take action for this. Simply automated content traffic software. You can see here it is. Okay, so you can download from here this all things. So that's how this is five-figure freedom work. Too much worth. Okay, so here's my all bonuses completed. Now we have to go to discuss about this viral mark, this all things. Now we will discuss about this YouTube automation later, because it is too much deeper and different thing, because that is different platform and Twitter is different platform. So now you can, okay, now this is first point. If you go for this, you can see here, just let it be download. Now new tweet, you can create your whatever tweet, whatever pick from here, you can schedule it. Now what is the meaning of schedule? Actually, if you go for schedule, actually it is going to reduce your work. You don't need to go again and again per day to log in your Twitter account, to log in your YouTube account, to work on that. This software will work automatically on behalf of you. If you go for other scheduler tool, so what will be the price? You can see, for example, if you go for Hootsuite, this is actually Publer. This is very cheapest tool, but I'm showing you what it is. See, $10 per month just for scheduling your posts for unlimited time. Okay, not unlimited time, it is monthly. Okay, you can use this. Actually, if you go for different time, you can create your more posts and all this type of the limitations are available here. You can go and you can check, but I am talking about here viral mark. So you can schedule it for the later. So what will happen, you are going to reduce your time. You don't need to go per day into your Twitter account, and you don't need to do all things per day basis. This work will be done automatically. So this is normal thing, but now I will show you the main thing which is very good. So you can schedule it. You don't have to pay monthly charges just like others. And what will happen if you go for this? What will happen? Just select this. This is scheduled to it. If you select this, you can copy, you can put your CSV file, PDF print and everything. So you can keep your data with you for the future preferences. So it will be very useful for you. Now auto follow. Now what will happen by this? Just click on that. Now this is the hashtag you can see here. Okay, for example, I'm just doing, for example, fashion, and click. See, this is fashion. So what will happen, this type of hashtag which are available in some profiles, your account will go and you will automatically follow, because this is auto follow. Okay, so what will happen by doing this? If you follow someone, so what will happen, some people follow back to you, and some people will follow back to you. They will come to your profile, they will watch complete your profile, they will click on your link which you pasted in your profile, whatever it may be. It may be your website, it may be your affiliate link, it may be your CPA link, whatever it can be. So that what will happen, you will start getting traffic on that particular link. Okay, that's how you can get some sales, you can get some traffic on your website. The main thing is what, now here is one more good feature, which is speed. Means if you use this 5 requests per hour, 3 requests per hour, what will happen, Twitter will never know you are using a automation tool. Because if you use any another tool, they will just go on that some profiles there, and that will follow automatically step by step, too much fastly. Okay, so what will happen, Twitter will understand you are using some automation tool, but here you can limit your speed, so that this 3 requests per hour, 5 requests per hour, you have to just save this and you have to just forget this. Simple. So Twitter will never know you are using automation tool, and that's how this tool will work for you. You can also, after auto stop, you can put any number after 50, after 60, after 40, 20, whatever. These things will be stopped. Auto pause, you can do this every day. You can put your date here. Okay, too much important product, too much. Okay, you can put your date here, you can put your time here for every day, because it is every day. And it will be paused for that. You can save here. Okay, now is auto unfollow. If you want to unfollow some people, just put, let me show you. Hmm. You can just don't unfollow my followers. This is also a very important good feature. You can do this in other tools. You will not get, you are not going to get this feature. Okay, so don't unfollow my followers. If you want to follow your followers, okay, no worry. Here you can again you can set up your speed. Again you can set up your limit per day, auto pause and everything, and it will start unfollow. Okay, here is the logs. Let me, actually I didn't do anything right now, so that's why. And that's how it will unfollow. If you want to decrease your decrease your followings, okay, so for that activity this feature is very important. Now auto retweet. If someone is tweeting related to your niche, just you can go, this is hashtags, you can select speed, you can do all this thing. Actually when you will go for this product, everything you will get updated. Okay, here you can use username. Okay, whoever like this, you can see Lady Gaga, Taylor Swift, Barack Obama, speed this, and you can just go for retweet. Okay, you can create your tweet here. Already I told you, I already shown you here. Here you can see, here you can schedule it. You can tweet now, right? Also photo, text, video, everything is available. Auto retweet you can do. Auto like, now auto like is what, this function is also very important. If you auto like, someone will come to your profile and will, actually if you are doing this regularly, because you are going to here, you are going to do here multitasking. Okay, so if you are going to use this tool, automatically people will come to your profile, they will check your links and everything, and you will get start traffic. Auto direct messages, you can do this message particular one by one, step by step those people. Okay, because you can limit your speed here. You can limit your total number of account here. See, speed, you can, how many people you have to send the message. You can limit your total number of people for today, and you can use this. I already told you about this. Here you can create your message like this: hi, how are you? Done. This message is already. And you can also put your uh, any type of the message, business message. Check my profile for amazing offers. Okay, check my profile for amazing offers. So that's how you can save and you can start your direct messaging, everything. So you can do this also from here. You can also show your activity status to your followers. If you want to show, you can on this. If you don't want to show, you can off this. Okay, so guys, here it is. Everything is here. Gallery, Twitter account, this is training video. Some bonuses you are again going to get here, some different bonuses. I'm not going much deeper. Upgrade link, training videos, so that you can understand everything about it. Okay, so I just show you the overview. You can, when you purchase this product, you will go this training video, and everything you will learn step by step how to do it, how to do and what to do. Okay, by using this software. Now let me show you what it is. Twitter account, just let it be upload. Because I have to also show you this YouTube automation. Now it's opening Twitter account. Complete total number of tweets, followers, following, everything you can see here directly. No need to go inside the Twitter account day by day. Let's go to the YouTube automation. Now I'm going to YouTube automation to show you inside. Now this is totally different. Now you are inside the YouTube automation. What here you are going to get and what you can do from here. Actually, these all things are very easy. Social accounts, image editor, URL shortener. Just see one by one what it is. You can short this. No need to go for Bitly and all for different. Actually, totally time consuming thing. Everything you can do from this one system. Many people will say we can do this for free. Yes, you can do this for free, but some features are coming right which is not available for free on the internet. Okay, so URL shortener, image editor, you can just play around with your images. You can edit your image according to your thumbnail, for your thumbnail, according to your wish, according to your niche, everything for your thumbnail and all. Social account, you saw that if you want to share your videos, so that you can do this. Import, you can channel, see, import your account and you can start working with that channel particularly. Okay, for example, okay, you can do this. It's not, it's mindless things. Channel manager, this is automation is starting here. Okay, now what will happen? Subscription campaign, like, comment, video manager, everything. For example, I'm going for this. So what you will see, let it upload, campaign name, channel and all. Actually, I didn't use this right now completely. So that's why here nothing is here. So if you do this, you can create campaign here, give it any name. Okay, any name. Select a channel, whatever your channel which you imported, this will become here. You can do that. Now you can use keywords. Which keywords do you want to target so that your video will rank? Daily maximum activity, publish that. Actually, this is the main thing. What you can do if you use this, actually YouTube algorithm work on regularity. If you are not available on daily basis, you can schedule it, so that what will happen if you are posting videos regularly, YouTube algorithm will promote your videos step by step automatically. But if you are not regular on YouTube, your channel will go down very easily. So that is the thing here. Okay, so you can create your campaign, you can close your campaign, whatever. So that's how automatic your channel will grow, because you are posting regularly, you are doing work regularly according to YouTube algorithm. So this thing you will never get outside for free. Now, template manager and all, search engine, this is keyword finder, this is too much important. Auto reply template, auto comment, so that you can active on YouTube. People will come to your YouTube channel, they will watch what your channel is about. Okay, and that's how you will get traffic on your website, on your YouTube channel and all. Now, this is search engine. Okay, video result limit, everything you will get here. Okay, for example, affiliate marketing, let me see it is working or not. Location, radius, actually channel ID, yes, channel ID you have to put here. So you can use Creative Commons. Creative Commons means what? You can use the videos which are available to upload for anyone. Okay, standard any license you can use, but Creative Commons is those videos you can use for anything. You can use to upload on your channel. Video type, you can select anyone, duration, short, long, dimension, definition, whatever. All options are available in front of you. You can put channel ID here. I will show you how to know the channel ID. Just see first what it is. Now this is channel. Just let it upload. You can search the channel. Actually, if this is about competitor research, if you are in online make money online niche, so you can use this. For example, it may be work or not, I don't know. Choose date, last 30 days. Okay, result 50. Search. See, now what will you do? See, this is too much highly views. Okay, and these are your competitor, and what type of the text they are using, you can easily find from here. If you click on this, let me show you what is. Okay, this is just for competitor. Just show me your different things. This is a video. Just take a time so that you can understand this. Your understanding will be very easy. Choose date will be last 30 days. Channel ID, I don't want to. Creative Commons, select Creative Commons. Do this. See. Because you choose Creative Commons, so now you can go ahead with this channel and you can upload this. Just see which channel is getting good numbers. Like this is getting high number of likes, so views may be more than that. Okay, like this 531 likes, 1k likes, like this. Okay, so you can upload this channel on your YouTube channel to start getting traffic on your affiliate link, on your website link, whatever you want to use. Okay, that's how it will work. Now let me show you which is keyword finder. Here it is. Okay, video ID. Now let me show you how to find video ID. Just click on this and see. This is video ID. This is when you go to YouTube channel, when you click on particular YouTube channel, YouTube video. Here you can see this is the particular. For example, this is, see, this is YouTube ID. Okay, and that's how you will put your YouTube, no, YouTube video ID on your particular option. Inside this tool you will get start all and every information about that particular video, even also text you will get. Okay, so that you can put your all text, and you can put your all text and you will get start traffic. So I just completed from my side. Okay, some things are too much easy, you can explore by yourself, like this auto reply, auto rank training and all, link will and all. Okay, for example, because it will be too much long video, so video link will, for example, how to do this, just create on create campaign. Okay, right now nothing important, so that's why it will be too much difficult. So if you imported any channel, you can use and you can see here complete data about that. Now I'm going to back for Twitter. Just click here, back to Twitter. I already shown you everything about YouTube and all. Okay, so here complete dashboard about Twitter, and this is complete dashboard about YouTube, and that's how this product will work. Okay, so much easier and much important. I show you my all bonuses. Go through my link below, get this all three bonuses which I shown you, which is 10x commission, complete software business in the box, and this is 5 figure, which I shown you 5 figure freedom already. Okay, here you are getting some more different bonuses to grow. Okay, and that's how. And why I shown you this plan and pricing about Publer, because if you go for scheduling tool, you have to pay monthly amount like this. You can see here. Okay, so that's how you are already in the profits. Okay, so we will meet for the next. Till then,